Hey, what's up my crypto wallet? Today video is gone very special millionaire. Today video is gone for specially wink holder because the wink is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and this time you can see here the crypto market is totally in the loss. Yes, a lot of Bitcoin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and absolutely they go up like a rocket, but this time they are also in the loss. So what's the result? What's the channel occur? And wink coin, you can see here wink in the last previous days the wink has gone very badly down, but you can see here the latest time, this is urgent video, you can see here the wink has gone very fastly. The wink is starting jumping like a rocket, 9.15% wink going up. So in this video I have also one good news for wink holders, so remember, don't skip this video because the good news is very special. So let's get started. The price prediction of wink coin, my friends, my holder, my millionaire brother. This video I'm going to show you three charts, and then we decide to this is selling time, buying time, or holding time. Absolutely, you can see here this time the last 7 days, the last previous 7 days result is very bad. You can see here 17.21% they're going down, my friends, very bad dump. You can see here, but they take a small jump, but absolutely they again take a very bad dump, my friend. And the previous every holder previous day every holder tell me to we are going to sell it, we are going to sell it, and absolutely if you sell it then absolutely you be safe from any more loss. But you can see here the chart, the changes occur, and very change the price, the price has increased, and the last and those days absolutely gone like a rocket. If you can see here the last 24-hour result, the last 24-hour result is going absolutely very up, my friend. This time you can see here the change occur and 8.94% going up. So this is my goodness, absolutely I'm a holder of a big collar, my friend. This is good for every holder. You can see here the price is increasing, and this day absolutely price is increasing. You can see here they're going up like a rocket. Congratulations my wing holder brother, please invest. This is not, if I remember, this is not a financial video, this is just advisor. I advise you to please if you want to make more profit, then absolutely they give you a very good profit at the end of this month. I hope they're going up very fastly going up, in upcoming days they're going up, they give you very good profit. So remember, today going up in upcoming days, please invest if you want to invest in this crypto. Absolutely this is definitely good time to you invest, guys. Remember the last 1 hour chart absolutely definitely gone very badly down, but I hope in upcoming days they're going up. You can see here the last 24-hour, but they take a small jump, but absolutely definitely they're going up like a rocket when they're gone. So my friends, please invest, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this type videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.